This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper or even the lock screen on your Motorola phone. So we can swipe down from the top right and then we can go to settings. And we are looking for something called Personalize. Just go to Personalize right here and you can change your background. So you can just choose a theme right here if you want. We got the Moto theme, but I'm going to go to a personalized background. So we can tap this right here, and then we can go to a curated, dynamic, stylized, or my photos for the background right here. And we can just tap it, and we can add like effects and stuff. So let's go to one of these curated images, and we can change the wallpaper under here. And I don't know what we want to go to. Let's go to a cityscape. Maybe if we can find a church or something, that would be cool. Or here we go. Can't remember what this is called. The Colosseum. And then we got the lock screen too. Then we can just go to accept for home and lock screen. Let's do both. And then we can go back. And this is what it looks like now. So all your personalization options for your phone are going to be located under, Personalize. So your display size is located under here as well. And we got the layout, and we can do a different layout if you want. So we got 4x5, 4x4, different layouts, the sounds, and then dark mode if we want to turn on dark mode. So right here, we can do a little bit of both, transition. And then we got icon shapes, colors, fonts, and then the themes in the top right. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.